Guys, real talk, ilang beses ka na ba nagka-aberya kasi wala kang credit card? Emergency, pabook ng flights, biglang sale? Ayun, left behind ka na naman. Pero don't worry, today, I'm gonna share bakit kailangan mo ng credit card and why Union Bank Rewards Credit Card is a game changer. Promise, hindi mo talaga to pagsisisihan. Alam ko naman na marami sa ating mga Pilipino ang takot magka-credit card. Baka mabaon sa utang, pang mayaman lang yan, or hindi ko naman kailangan. Pero real talk tayo ha, hindi mo naman kailangan maging milyonaryo para makagamit ka ng credit card wisely. So ito yung mga example. Siraan ka ng phone, tapos yung sweldo mo next week pa. Pag may credit card ka, makakapag-swipe ka agad ng phone at mababayaran mo for the following week. Number 2, may gusto kang travel, tapos nagkaroon ng seat sale sa Cebu Pacific or kahit na anumang airlines. Kulang yung pera mo. Kung may credit card ka, meron kang available credit to use to book that ticket and then you can pay it later on. Number 3, kailangan mo ng pang pet meds or grocery for the family. Pero nahiya ka naman mangutang sa friends, family, or kapitbahay. So that credit card saves your day. Kaya nga, I'm so excited to share with you guys this Union Bank Rewards credit card. So, ito nga yung mga dahilan kung bakit sulit magkaroon ng Union Bank Rewards credit cards lalo na sa mga beginners or first-timers. Number 1, no annual fee for life. Yes, as in forever, wala kang babayaran. And hindi lang to promo ha, totoo to. Second, earn points in every 30 pesos spend. So, pag nag-grocery ka, nag-pay ka ng bills, bumili ka sa Shopee, sa Lazada, may points ka na agad na na-earn. Number 3, flexible redemption option. So, yung mga points na nakukuha mo, pwede mo yung i-convert into groceries, travel vouchers, or to any electronic gift. Number 4, super easy ang approval process dito. Hindi mo kailangan ng maraming IDs. Sometimes, isang ID lang sapat na. And lastly, pwede siya sa local or international transactions. So, ready ka na for Shopee, Lazada, international travels, Japan trip, or kahit na anumang trip yan international. I swear, kung mas nalaman ko lang na ganito kaganda magkaroon ng credit card, mas marami sana akong nasagip na situation. Pero sabi nga nila, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Hindi mo kailangan maging finance expert para magkaroon ng credit card. Basta, responsable ka sa credit card payments mo. This card can actually help you build your credit score and help you with your finances and also make your life easier. Diba? So, kung ready ka nang lumevel up and finally get that Union Bank Rewards credit card, use my referral link sa description box below. So what are you waiting for? You know what? Mas higher yung chance na ma-approve ka if you use referral link. So what are you waiting for? Apply na! Kung may question kayo about credit card, tips and tricks, huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-leave ng comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more money-wise content. Kasi nga adulting don't need to be boring, right?
Oh,
Thank you
yes.
for watching!